Hey, let's take a look at this rolling tree bag. This is a 9 foot, and I am going to be storing my 7.5 foot tree in it this year. One thing I love about this tree bag is that it's got this hard end. So it's hard on the bottom and on the back, which is going to give it a little bit more structure and make it easier to roll around. This is definitely a differentiator from any other tree bag that we have, actually. And it's also huge. This is really, really large. So this is for a 9 foot tree. I'm going to be putting a 7 foot tree in it, but a really big one, a really wide tree. And this is going to be perfect. So the nice thing about these, when you are using them, when the tree is inside, is that you can use this on the end here and roll them, like drag them around. So this is actually a really, really good one. I'm super impressed with the structure on the end there. Really nice, strong zippers and lots of straps. Look how big this is. Really, really big. So yeah, this is a good one. Just to give you a little bit of a size comparison here. This is a great option if you have a very large tree.